Today's recipe is gluten-free banana bread. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and gathering your ingredients. Cut the butter into small pieces as it makes creaming the sugar and butter together a lot easier. Once the butter and sugar are thoroughly incorporated, add your eggs and mix well. Put the dry ingredients in a separate bowl and mix together. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until a dough forms. Add the overripe bananas to a bowl and mash them. Then add them to the dough and mix well. You may need to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl. Distribute evenly into 2 small bread pans and stick in the oven at 350 degrees. Bake them for 45 minutes and then let them cool on a wire rack. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more gluten-free recipes to come.